Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat na YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na tao with evidence. Binanatan ni Senator Raffy Tulfo, si Department of Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco dahil umano sa paglabas sa kanyang larawan sa mga magazine at marketing materials imbes na mga tanawin ng bansa. Gito man ni Frasco, wala siyang pahintulot sa paggamit ng kanyang larawan at hindi nila kinontrata, binayaran o inutusan ang private publication ng Philippine Tropics na itampok siya sa cover. Sabi ni Tulfo, parang vlogger na kay Tourism Secretary Frasco. Sabi pa dito, parang pinopromote mo ang sarili mo versus dapat Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo. Yan ang sabi ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Sabi ni Frasco, perhaps if it's the pleasure of the senator that I no longer visit our destination or that there will be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. O, ito kabibig ha, ito yung video na kung saan binanatan talaga ni Tulfo. Uy, para ka ng vlogger, para ka ng model. Parang hindi na ang Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo, parang ang sarili mo na ang pinopromote mo na para puntahan ang Pilipinas para makita ka. Hindi ka naman artista, hindi ka naman model, kundi Department of Tourism Secretary ka. Sabi pa ni Tulfo, sa Pilipinas lang daw nakikita niya na ang DOTR Secretary ang laman ng mga ng mga tourism pictures, 'di ba? Sa Vietnam, sa Thailand, at ibang lugar, wala talaga ang pangmumukha ng DOTR or Department of Tourism Secretary, pero si Frasco lantaran ang pagmumukha. Emote na emote, post ng post. Nako, ito ang explanation ni Cristina Frasco, mga kabibig. Ito. Kinig tayo, kabibig, ha? Unahin natin ito. Ito.
I'm very sorry, Secretary Frasco. Parang lumilitaw na ikaw ay nagiging vlogger na. It will not sell pag doon sa mga marketing materials natin, puro mukha mong nakalagay doon. It shouldn't happen kasi another thing one thing na na-notice ko. Halimbawa, meron tong sa Japan. Japan ba ito? Magazine. I think it's a free magazine. Pagkakataon na sana natin na para sumikat tayo sa Japan, yung tourism industry natin, sa halip, ang nakalagay dito, ikaw, and then yung mga groundbreaking, pinapakita natin sa halip na dapat ipapakita natin yung mga underground river, the 8 wonders of the world, yun, Tabon Cave, etc. Ang pinakita doon, kayo po, at saka yung mga groundbreaking ceremony, which will not sell. If we want to sell something, pakita po natin yung mga tanawin o yung mga reasons why tourists will visit the country.
Correct.
Kasama na po dyan yung mga lugar na pwede pupuntahan, food, wellness, adventure. Those are the things that people would like to see, the tourists. And pumunta po ako sa website natin. Wala ako masyadong nakikita ng mga lugar na kaakit-akit na para mainganyo yung mga tourist na pumunta. Nakikita ko puro mga festivals. I don't know kung iba yung napupunta.
Baka mukha ni Frasco ang nandun. Yung kaakit-akit yung mukha. Ako po.
Website. Maganda po yung festivals. Pero kung kailangan natin talagang ma-invite yung mga tourists to come to our country, ano ba yung reason ba't nagtutur yung mga tao?
Correct.
Hindi naman po sa puro festival ang pinupunta ng mga turista rito. Of course, maganda yung festival. Pupunta sila rito for adventure, wellness, food, culture, and things like that. So yun po dapat ang binibenta natin. Wag po natin ibinibenta yung maling mga bagay na hindi naman in-expect ng tourists when they arrive in our country. And lastly, dapat
ang sakit nito, parang binuhusan ng tubig si Frasco, parang harapang sinupalpal ni Senator Raffy Tulfo si Cristina Frasco. Well, sino ba ang pwedeng sumampal sa kanya ng katotohanan kung wala man lang ni isa sa taga Department of Tourism ang nag-react kung bakit pagmumukha niya ang palagi nakikita. At least si Tulfo ngayon, sinumpalpal talaga harap-harapan si Frasco. Naku po.
Yung pagdating pa lamang sa airport, we have to identify who are the tourists, if possible, na vlogger.
Mhm.
Kasi malaking dagok to sa atin na pag meron isang vlogger pumunta rito tapos siniraan tayo,
Tama.
magkakaroon ng domino effect yun sa bansa na kung saan sila, not only doon bansa kung saan sila, kundi yung mga followers nila. Tulad nitong American na vlogger, meron pang isa, siniraan tayo, at least itong American, medyo pino pa siya, kaya lang nakasira. So, dapat po, DOT, makipag-tie up po tayo sa mga local vloggers. Marami naman tayong mga local vloggers dito Makipag-tie up po tayo sa mga foreign vloggers. I'm sure makakatulong in one way or the other. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I would like to put on the record a matter that has been already clarified by the Department of Tourism. In that, the magazine that bore my image, called Philippine Topics, that was published in Japan and subsequently distributed for free, absolutely had no consent, funding, or information on the part of myself or on the part of the Department of Tourism. I did not pay for that magazine. No government funds were used for that magazine, and my consent was never obtained in the use of my image for that magazine.
Yun ka, BP. Yun na. Yun.
8-1.
Ito ha.
Interpretation of that, of course,
Ito na ha. Sumagot si Frasco. Sige. Let's go.
I just wish to place on the record that the photos that have been used and transformed into memes are actually work photos.
Is that AI? You're telling me that's AI?
No.
Okay.
This is a work photo. I
Okay.
was in Lake Cebu in South Cotabato promoting the Philippine Experience Program. The interpretation or misinterpretation of that, of course, is up to public consumption. But we have all the documentation to prove that my presence there was a legitimate one, and it was to help the destination as far as crafting of tourism packages, tourism circuits, building up of attention for the destination in conjunction with our tourism stakeholders.
I'm not saying, Mom, that you're not present. Your presence there is not legit. Okay? What I'm saying is, yung presence mo doon, yung sa picture na yan, it doesn't fit in sa taste ng mga Pilipino na nakakita po niyan. Kaya nga po, binabash po kayo. Hanggang sa pumunta po sila sa action center ko para magreklamo. Nung malaman nila magkakaroon ng hearing ng ganito, they came to my office and they told me na ito yung baka pwede may parating sa Department of Tourism. That's why I'm trying to voice it out today here in the hearing. Okay? So, kasi ang nangyari, ma'am, ang dating daw sa kanila, parang pinopromote mo yung sarili mo versus dapat yung Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo o yung mga probinsya ang pinopromote mo versus you're promoting yourself. Yun po yung dating sa mga tao. Hindi po sa akin yun, ha? That's not from me. From them. So ang dating po sa mga tao na you're trying to promote yourself. So maybe we have to refrain from doing that. We can use model siguro. Di ba? Like I said, dyan sabi mo sa Cotabato.
Models.
Saan lugar? South Cotabato. Then let's use Miss South Cotabato as the model. Or a native South Cotabato. Ano ba yung pinaka-native dyan sa Cotabato? Yung mga indigenous people in Cotabato. Much better versus kayo po. Yung po yung pinapoint out ng mga lumapit po sa akin.
Sampal to. Grabe. Parang,
Mr. Chair, gusto magsalita si Ms. Rasco?
Sec, you want to respond?
Yes, I completely hear you, Senator, and I'm grateful that you have brought these matters to light. But since I have the floor, I would just like to reiterate my position that I have tried to be as present as possible in our destinations and for our stakeholders. That is the extent of the duty that I have exercised and nothing more. I have no national ambition. I'm not running for any national position, and therefore any accusation of self-promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028, and therefore there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth.
I'm going.
Just saying that. What I'm saying is, yung po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinopromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila
pala
doon.
naman.
Wala, never ka makita sa tourist materials ng kahit anong bansa na banggit ko, yung kanilang Secretary of Tourism, pinopromote yung mga mukha ng mga pictures nila. That's what the
Yes.
people that came to me.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as I'm,
Of course,
my
ma'am,
understanding,
you can
yes.
visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag pumunta ko na sa isang lugar, kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yun po yung point ng mga netizens.
Bakit na huwag mo yung sarili mo?
Okay? It has nothing to do about you. It has something to do na may problema at sinasabi na kung ano yung problema na dapat punuan natin ngayon.
Senator, we would be also very happy to provide your office with all of the promotional efforts that we have made, sans my face, in the destinations covered in order to indicate that
Thank you.
the Department of Tourism has not ever ceased from promoting our destinations, notwithstanding our very, very limited budget. I just
Wala ka. So ito ang komento ng ating mga netizen. I'm not running for a national position. I'm just frustrated model. Uy, grabe naman. Remember a Frasco put their face in a coffee sachet? Imagine that. Your picture promoted the location. Apiki man ang pagsabot o iwa man kaget sa main issue. Na-stress na si Tulfo, simplify para makasabot siya, dili gihapon magets. You just don't put your face sa any DOT promotion na humana ang storyahahay. Simply say that you are going to update the promotional materials without your face of the Department of Tourism. Tapos, di ba? Yun ang gusto ni Tulfo kasi maraming mga Pilipino nagreklamo, bakit pagmumukha ni Frasco nandyan? Dapat sana lugar ng Pilipinas. Bakit ba lahat pa ng lugar ng Pilipinas doon ang pagmumukha ni Frasco? Ito pa. Mahirap ba sabihin that we apologize for the message it conveyed and will do better moving forward? Our aim is to promote the Philippines at a global level, and again, we apologize for the poor judgment here. I hear you is different to I understand you. Yun, tinan mo, Frasco na. Bash ka tuloy. You can be present naman po, madam, and tell the nation that you went to a place without putting your face on prints. Bako siya, napaka-uwaw. Tourism must promote all the different scenic places all over the country, and pictures of those spots must be on the front line, not the head of the agency's face or portrait. There must be a comprehensive advertising plan for the whole year that's approved by stakeholders of the tourism industry. This literal of talking to a wall. Lang grabe, no? So, ikaw Kamibig, ano ang inyong reaction dito na parang binuhusan ng malamig na tubig ni Tulfo, si Frasco, di ba? Well, at least man lang nagising sa katotohanan si Frasco na ito yung komento ng mga tao, ito yung nakikita ng mga tao na yung pagmumukha mo ay hindi makakatulong sa tourism ng Pilipinas. At bakit nandun ang pagmumukha mo? Simple lang. Baguhin ang strategy, baguhin ang ways on how to promote the Philippines. Hindi yung purong pagmumukha mo ang nakikita mo, di ba? So, hindi ka naman, ano ba, magpa-vlogger ka? Bakit ikaw ang nag-promote? Hindi naman tayo makakakuta dyan pag mukha mo nandyan. So yun, Kabibig, yun ang paggisa ni Erwin Tulfo kay DOTR Secretary Frasco, mga Kabibig, at mga komento ng ating mga netizen. Parang pinopromote mo ang sarili mo versus dapat Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo. Grabe naman. So yun lang, Kabibig, ang ating This Live for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.